today with my scrawlrbox unboxing. This came yesterday and I was going to do the unboxing, but I really didn't feel up to it. So I'm going to tear around the sticker so I don't break it. So I'm pretty sure this is for December, the December's one. And first things first, here is the sticker. I've been collecting these and I've been sticking them to the sketchbook that I had. This then tells you, yes, for December, this then tells you what's inside there, so I'm not going to do that. And the challenge is squared away. Each month we provide you with a selection of our supplies and some inspiration. Can't speak. Try and create something using only the supplies in the box. Good luck. So the scroller challenge is squared away. And we have a sweet. That's kind of hard, so I'm probably not going to be able to eat that yet. We have, I love Faber-Castells. These look like you can draw on anything. It's showing like pencil cases, water bottles, suitable for many surfaces. I think these you can draw on glass with as well. Suitable for bright, dark, coloured papers and smooth surfaces. Plastic, transparent, size, porcelain, glass, metal, smudge and splash proof. After fixation in the oven at 160 degrees, waterproof, not dishwasher proof. Water-based ink, do not bleed through paper, odour free, no need to pump or shake. Wow, so that's brilliant because you can get like a plain mug. You can do your own design on it and put it in the oven for 160 degrees. And once it's done, you can probably coat it in some gloss or something, something that's non-toxic. And it's yours forever. I love those. Ooh. Fine art pencils. The artist's choice for creative enjoyment. Whoa. Oh, they're colouring pencils. You can't see. Let me try and zoom in so you can see. There we go, look. They look kind of metallic to me. You know, could be me, but they do look kind of metallic. So that's going to be awesome. A ruler, oh, wow, the weight on this. This is solid. Now this could come in handy for my 5D art, so that I can put them all straight, because you'll see once I finished, they're not all straight. But that's solid, and there's some weight to it as well. That is a hell of a ruler, fair play. And what we got here? Paint Multi Techniques Noir 85. Oh no, it's A5, sorry. Times 8. Ooh. Now that's different. That, oh, no wonder why the pencils are metallic then. So you can use the pens and you can use the pencils and create something amazing. But I can do like loads of squares on there, colour some in, and just, that's my kind of thing, because I can just experiment, just mess about. And there is, it says 8 sheets in there. That is awesome. Clay Fontaine. Have you heard of that? Oh, look at this. I can't get it out. Artist of the month is Mirella Duta, is that right? I would like that, but I'll zoom in again. So there we go. If you want to read that, pause it. Let me zoom back out. Yep, that is cool. Small squares. So I'm definitely going to do like, I'm going to do random squares and just experiment with the pencils and the metallic markers. I could do, what I was thinking is doing like a mandala style picture, but only using squares, nothing but. Small ones, large ones, ones that's been coloured in with different colours, shaded, gradient ones. Let me know what you think of my idea, but that is definitely something I can do. And as you can see, guys, that is what I got in my scroller box. As always, I am really impressed. I love this book. This is something I can do even when I'm not feeling 100%, which I most days I'm not at the moment. I can just sit down and I can just pot around with this. I don't know what the sweet is. Whoa, what is that? That smells like licorice. So there we go, guys. That is what I've got. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all soon. Bye, guys.